we're back, and today I'm here with Jean-Pierre.
What's up?
And we got an exhaust for his, is it 2015 or 16?
18.
It's 2018 Ford Focus ST. It's an Invidia exhaust. So I got the car jacked up. We're gonna get everything taken out and we'll do a comparison of stock to the Invidia. I'll show you guys the new tips because they're insane. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, so we got the exhaust out. It's just the two bolts off the downpipe and then two Torx bits or Torx screws, something like that, for a plate, and then you can drop it, pull it out. So here it is. He had his muffler already cut off, and then I had to cut it right there to get it up and over the axle or whatever in the back, just because I couldn't wedge it out. Here's a comparison of the two. And this part is my favorite. And then the tips are by far the best. They're massive. It's pretty sick. And then that also came with the, they're considered like a muffler kind of deal. Pretty much they just go in the tip, screw in, and make it a little bit quieter. Yeah, so now I got two of the pieces put together just because it's going to make my life a lot easier when I put the exhaust back in. So I'll put that in, get everything assembled, show you a clip of what the tips look like, and then start up the car with the exhaust.